لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الأمين وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد সংগ্রামী সভাপতি প্রধান অতিথি সহ নেতৃবৃন্দ এবং সম্মানিত বিক্ষুব্ধ জনতা, today the total globe stands beside the Palestine. Not only the Muslims, but today we are observing the unity of humans who have the minimum humanity except the Zionists and their dispenser. Accepting the Zionists and their dispenser, the total globe is united today. From the institutions, from the playground, even the football clubs also protesting the brutal Zionism, the brutality of Zionism. This unity will remain, inshallah, till the victory. Till the victory, this unity remains. This unity remains, inshallah. We will be united till the victory comes. When the ebb water finishes, then the tide comes. When the ebb water finishes, then the tide water comes. Netanyahu, you are calculating, you destroyed the Rafah, Khan Yunis, and bombing Gaza. Our children, innocent children, are blown away in the air by your bombing. By this brutality, you are making genocide, you are making war crimes, you are trying to ethnic cleansing. But by this brutality, you cannot make ethnic cleansing. Our iman, our faith and conviction remains with Palestine, not with the brutal leadership, not with Zionism, who patronize the Trump and others who are patronizing, who are supporting. We are also to them also. They will be also ousted. They will be ousted from the global leadership, inshallah. We want the Muslim leaders who are still playing the role of hypocrisy. Give up your hypocrisy. If you are not able to stand beside with military intelligence, with military unity, with military integrity, if you are not able to stand beside our Gaza, our Palestine, then the people will make their decision. Where to go? أمر المسرفين الذين يفسدون في الأرض ولا يصلحون. We warn Netanyahu's friend, our Narendra Modi also. He is trying to make a replica of Israel in India. We will tolerate. You pass the controversy bill of Waqf. You are hijacking the Muslim institutions. You are hijacking the properties of Muslim institutions. This will be not tolerated. This will not be tolerated. You and your sponsor, Sheikh Hasina, and all the fascist sponsors